Alright, so just moving into a new house. Just barely got my car inside here. Got the beer fridge right here. Just a whole bunch of extra boxes. You get a shed for this stuff. But really, this is all about the Z. So it's a 2-car garage. Hopefully, I can get this stuff organized and get this Z actually repaired. My toolbox is right there. Got the other toolbox and also my old toolbox. Got my old rims for my Sonic. So this is it. Right here I have my old transmission. Underneath those boxes is the half shafts and a 240SX 5-speed transmission. Old radiator. Just a bunch of parts. Right there is my plastic parts. So once I get this all cleaned up, I'll be able to start really working on it. I'm gonna try to get a shed for this stuff that can go outside. And then my plan is to use all this headspace for like the go-kart stuff, plastics, the wheels, and everything else. Should be good to go though. I'm really excited to start working on this, actually tearing it apart. Pretty much I had this running just to get it to the new house, and then now I can actually start doing stuff on the inside. It's got no carpet, nice highlighter yellow duct tape. Yeah, so it's needs new seals. You can see that right there. It's pretty bad. You can actually see the outside right there. But got a fire extinguisher, and that's all that matters. Alright. I'll probably be updating in a week or two. The cleaner garage, got the table right there, and just everything organized. Wish me luck.